Ulam hang ka iingdorbar tauan ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly uba metbah lyngdoh mynta ka sngi ka shipho tarik naiwieng pdiang ya ka jingtyrwa bom Lashai shuh da liang pyrshah ialam da Congress pyrshah ya sorkar MDA ialam da NPP ya gani ka no confidence motion la wanrah da ngut ki MLA ka Congress bat namar ba kyndon pyniaid dorbar ki ailad lada don shipho ngut ki dkhot basoi ban wanrah ya ka no confidence motion ulam hang pdiang bat bu por ban iatainia Lashai ka sngi khatoi tarik naiwieng ha ka por khatoi baje mynstep unong ialam ka liang pyrshah Dr. Sama uloong baka no confidence motion kalong man pinsngau ya ki aka ki jing bakla bak sorkar kalale bat ki wei de ki issue ne ki mat ban kren bat penpa wa po iingdorbar haba ki dkhot ki labun khriab ham.
In as far as NC is concerned, no confidence motion, the ultimate end result of the NC against the government will have to be left to be seen. We cannot presume and assume and predict how the House will behave. We cannot take the House for granted. So therefore, only when the issues are taken placed before the House and members participate in the whole deliberation and discussion, then we see how ultimate end result ultimately unfolds. We will not predict. We cannot predict how the House will behave.
We say there will be a platform to discuss all the related issues that you have been highlighted.
We will have the luxury of witnessing tomorrow, I'm sure, and that's something which is required. Our role is to protect the interests of the state. We have made it abundantly clear. When things are not going correctly, when the interest of the state is being seen as being compromised by the government of the day, then it is necessary for us to ultimately respond to our call of duty and play our role effectively in consistence with the spirit of democracy.
What are the key issues?
That we will see tomorrow. Yeah. Have some patience.
There is rumor that some members from ruling side also might support you. Is that true, sir?
That's what I'm saying. You can't predict how the House will behave. That's what I mean. You have to see how the overall momentum of deliberation and discussion create that kind of environment in the House and how members respond in response to their call of duty. When we talk about what will eventually happen in the House, as I've said, I will not be able to predict as to how the House will behave.
You cannot predict, but I think you have already in mind yeah, something.
See, it's as simple as that. Any member who feels that it's our binding responsibility to protect the interests of the state when it is necessary, they will play that role effectively. That is the anticipation and that is the expectation. But it will be left to the wisdom of respective members of the House.
Nagaliang kaliang sensar MDA kalapan long ya kejingelang hadirin belawai ke dorbar bot menteri rangba ukon rasangma ulayathu ba kejingelang kalayakran halor ke no confidence motion ba jitru ya kibreu banya shimenta ha kejingetainia.
No confidence motion that has been moved by the opposition. So we just discussed on making sure that everybody should be present tomorrow, number one, and number two, the people who will participate in the debate, and obviously to make sure that we support the government. So it was a meeting to just coordinate for tomorrow's no confidence motion.
So the opposition has moved the no confidence motion. How confident are you that it will survive?
We're absolutely confident. There is no issues, and the opposition has brought up there's no confidence. But there were many other forms in which they could have mentioned the issues that are concerning them. In fact, they had mentioned in the press conference that it is a platform to discuss issues, is what they had mentioned. So therefore, I think there were many platforms, but nonetheless, opposition has chosen this particular route. So we are ready. Our entire MD is very confident, and we are united, and we will get through this no confidence motion. But tomorrow being an important day, they have all been asked to attend, and in spite of their health condition, they will all be attending tomorrow's house. The whip will be issued to everybody, yes. It's being prepared right now.